So, this is it. Episode 1. I guess we're going to call this the Road to Rome. So what we're going to do is document my journey from start of prep to the end if I make it, because I'm injured as fuck. But along the way, we're going to be training at different gyms. And today, me and the big German, we are at UltraFlex Lincoln. And we're going to be trying out different gyms, different equipment. So we're going to start off on a push session. And the first exercise is indeed chest flies. So let's go. It's nice, that. Do my best Cooper and Mark face. Get out burns now. What am I on? Yeah. Ooh. Get out. Get out of the cunt.
Welcome to episode 2. I'm back from one.
See, this is trouble. I've gone first again. Every time I go first, it means he does one more fucking rep. You second. See, normally we've got structure and flow to our programs, but because we're somewhere special, somewhere new, we're going to pick a different machine. So I'm going to leave this to you. You can pick. Incline. Not hoist though. Hoist is weird. If we're going to do a hoist, we'll do a hoist. Alton Towers and a gym at the same time.
You're training on beach.
Yeah.
It's just that, isn't it? It's almost like you're rocking your child to sleep.
There we go, skills. Come on, shits and giggles, let's try it. Watch it be fucking lovely.
That's horrendous.
Well, scientifically speaking, using an arrow grip should wear your chest a little bit more, shouldn't it? Of course, the clavicular plane.
I'm gonna put
frontal plane.
I was showing Jack this morning. I'm going to put something on Instagram, and it's literally just me saying, I was like, mentally, just fuck it. Just give 2 or 3 sets on full fucking bastard.
Yeah.
I was like, so fed up of like, fucking stood there, come on, right, sit in. 1, 2, just train, just do it.
Oh, I don't know.
I prefer that.
Look at this.
Really nice.
Yeah, let's give that a whirl. Yep. Weird. We didn't change that much anyway, did we? It was just literally...
It was food, but I can change.
Nice. It was rice for rice, weren't it?
So it was
Oh wait, there was them, I think you change one afternoon couch cheese, that's it. Like some people are like, oh, I've took out yogurt and put in 3 squares bars instead. It's like, don't really work like that, does it? Go up. Yes, come on. There we go. Yes. Good.
Come on. Yes. Let's go. Beautiful. Yeah.
I had to get in 15. A 14 and a half. There we go. There we go. Come on. Yes. There we go. Lovely.
Oh. Yeah.
Yep. Oh. Oh. Lovely that. That is really nice. I rate that. First time I rate hoist. Feels weird, but feels sexy at the same time. I don't know what like, I'm normally good at analogies. Shoulder back, chest up. Then your classic, go into that. So go round. Yeah. Shoulder down like so, more. And up.
Well, like you doing that, I can't.
So, like, it's almost like a rotation, so it's like round, pop.
Yeah. I think it's kind of my wrist is off, like my
Yeah.
wrist is so pop. I think it's told me to down.
What Phoebe did? Yeah.
Yeah.
So rather than like go around, it's like bosh, bosh.
Yeah, she's kind of like just go down and then turn into whichever work. No, I always get it wrong. I always do my wrist that way. That's why it hurts. It's that way, innit?
Oh, isn't that as well? So when you're turning your leg as well, so what I like to do is like bosh down like that. So rather than like twist it, because when you get up, it's like more bang, like that open.
Getting the foundation.
Are they 25s?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't do that.
You had mixed plates over there.
We
Fucking plastic concrete shit.
That's the rule.
Have
We can't do
25.
25s. We're not S20, it's 20s.
Just make it look like it's a bit more.
Put a 25 on. He's like, what you got on there? And he's like, 1.26. What? I'm going home. I just can't do it. Weird, but nice. This gym has gingers. We've also got Sia on the team. So Sia is doing her first time a show in June, the end of the June. So she's doing the photo shoot on June the 9th. And then her first show on, I believe, the 25th of June. So her bulk, this is the last week of her bulk. Prep starts for her next week. Adam's a partner, of course. He's built like a pepperami, so we're gonna wait till next year. No! No!
Come on. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, go on, you fucker. Oh. Very latty, that one as well. Found. Not bad. For Hoist, eh? Like that.
12 to beat.
14.
14? Fucking hell.
It's that world's strongest man, this.
Must have hit his head out in the story where he was counting. Counting up in twos.
I'm rap. Sure he was 14.
But I'm sure you're counting.
So it got to 12 and I'm like, he's that.
7.
Yep. Nine. 13. There we go. Go on. Let's get it. Yeah. Come on. There we go. He'd gone at 13, he just had to do it. That's good. It's a lot of people, they start really young bodybuilding and it's almost, they cut themselves off from a normal. And when they get to about the mid-20s, they just have a breakdown because they missed it.
Relax, I'm spilling these raps long as you feel them. To the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop sending them. Women are caught in webs, spin them in hawk venom. Adrenaline shots, the penicillin could not get the illin to stop. Amoxicillin's just not real enough. The criminal cop killing hip-hop, feeling a minimal swap to cop. Millions of pop listeners, you're coming with me, feel it or not. You're gonna fear it like I showed you. The spirit of God lives in us. You hear it a lot, lyrics the shock. Is it a miracle or am I just product of pop? Listen up, the sizzle, my whistle, this is the plot. Listen up, you pistols for God, Slizzle does not give up. Till the room comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't check my mouth.
That's what you're doing in your picture, have you noticed? So Louise went, why is he shorter in that one? Look how he's posing. Yeah. Let's give that. So we started off on Basically, what should have been a warm-up, which turned into annihilation on the chest fly. 3 sets. Then we went on to an incline press, which was this, onto a shoulder press, both working and back off sets. Now we're on a flat. Well, he is, I'm going on. See, Cuba's got Meg to put his plates on. I've got Meg. Yeah, this is good, yeah. This is Nick Scheisen.
X gon' give it to you. Wait for you to get it on your
Back
own.
inside.
X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. With the non-stop pop out from stainless steel. Go hard, getting busy with it. But I got such a good heart that I make the mother wonder if you did it. Damn right, and I do it again. Cause I am light, so I got to win. Break bread with the enemy. No matter how many cats I break bread with, I break who you sending me. You motherfucker never wanted nothing but your life saved. That's on a life they hold down, down. Like it said freeze, but won't be the one in the opponent be. Please, if the only thing you can't stand is came out to play, stay out my way. Motherfuckers, we gonna rock, then we gonna roll. Then we let it pop, let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. First we gonna rock, then we gonna roll. Then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you.
So then, a little bit about me and the road to Rome. So, let's start at the beginning, shall we? So, kind of got in this game by accident. I was 20 years old. I'd been playing in a band since I was about 16 years old. And we were doing all right, actually. Supported Arctic Monkeys a couple of times. Toured across the country, everywhere. And then the guitarist and the drummer ended up having kids. So they went their own way, which left me and the bass player. We did acoustic for a little bit, but then we had to obviously start making some money elsewhere. I didn't have a fucking clue what to do in my life. Nothing, all I knew was music. So I actually went to a careers fair with another one of the guys in the band called Rob. And I remember one of the careers advisors came up and said to me, so what do you want to do in life? I'm like, no clue, just played in a band, no idea. I said, so what are your other passions? What do you really like doing? And I said, you know what? I want to be in a job where I can pull as many girls as possible. And she said to me, no word of a lie, become a personal trainer. So literally, I was like, oh. And then from that, it just must have sparked something because I started researching about personal training. And then next thing, I got my qualification. And then pretty much instantly, I ended up getting a job at Sheffield Hallam University as senior fitness instructor, where I did indeed pull as many girls as possible for the next 15 years. No. I took my job seriously, became a coach. I spent 15 glorious years at Hallam University. And then I trained, I'd done stuff like ran marathons, and then I'd worked for British Cycling for a little bit. But I'd always trained a little bit on the side, weight training, and I just thought, right, let's give competing a go. Did not know fuck all about competing. And then entered a PCA first timers. I didn't even know what a quarter term was. I can name about 4 bodybuilders. And anyway, I entered, as every guy does, I entered classic. I'm not classic. And I came 4th in my first ever comp. And then after that, the judges said to me, you're not classic, you're a bodybuilder. And it was only ever meant to be 1 comp. And I thought, right, okay, let's just do 1 more, see how I fare as a bodybuilder. And I came 2nd. And then I thought, all right, this. And then I hired Cuba. And literally the rest is history, as they say. Won several shows under him. And now we're going for IFBB Pro Masters in Rome. And over this series, we'll be doing many wonderful and marvelous things along the way on that journey. So enjoy. Yes, guys, so fantastic session I had. Lincoln, what we're saying? Good? How many out of 10?
It's tough. Close 10.
I'd agree with that. For me, biased to Rotherham, but I'd say Cuba's not going to watch this anyway. This is better. So, yeah, it's more aesthetic, great machines. I'm now in love with Hoist. So the next one will be, I believe, let's go to Hull. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys, next time.